Now, most big countries of the world have this problem that they need to have a standard time, because since the country is very huge, that is why the longitudes keep on changing from city to city. But in order to avoid any kind of inconvenience and in order to have a standard time, every country has made a standard time for itself. The Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82 degree 30 east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur in UP. Now, why have we taken up Mirzapur as, or rather 82 degree 30 east longitude as the Indian Standard Time? Because this longitude is in the equidistant of the country. That is there is an equal distance towards the east and towards the west of the country. It is in between. That is why we pick up this time as the Indian Standard Time. Now, sometimes what happens is that Arunachal Pradesh already sees the sun, whereas it is very dark in Gujarat. Now, the simple reason behind this is that Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost longitude state of India. That is, it is situated, it lies in the easternmost longitude. That is 97 degree 25 east. Therefore, the rays of the sun fall first of all in the Arunachal Pradesh, and it sees the sun first of all. That is why it experiences the daytime very quickly, and it is also called as the land of rising sun therefore. Whereas Gujarat is located in the westernmost longitude, that is 68 degree 7 east. And what happens is, children, that after every 15 degree longitude difference, there is a change of 1 hour in the time. And since here the time difference is of 2 hours between the two states, because there are 30 degree longitudinal difference between the two states. And as I said, every 15 degree makes a difference of 1 hour, and since here it is 30 degree, that is why the difference is of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. That is why when it is daytime, or rather it is morning in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still dark at Gujarat. Now, it also is said that Ahmedabad actually sees the rays of the sun, or rather the sun is overhead twice a year. Now, why does it happen? Because the rays of the sun, they fall vertical here at Ahmedabad twice, as Ahmedabad is situated below the Tropic of Cancer and is in the tropical zone. Therefore, such a thing is experienced by the people of Ahmedabad. Now, Meghalay. Meghalay is called as the land of rainfall. Megha means rain, fall means the coming down. So, Meghalay, that is abode of rain, the land of rainfall, and Maisinram in Meghalay receives the highest rainfall in the world. This place lies in the windward side of the Garo Hills, and it receives the maximum rain, as I said, in the world at one of its place called Maisinram. That is why the place is called perfectly as Meghalay, the land, the abode of rainfall. This was all about India's size and location, and how does time keep changing from one state to another, and the standard meridian of India, and that was all about your chapter India's size and location. Thank you.